Mina I am a firm believer yokuthi akufuneki sometimes uforce izinto ekubeni ama circumstances awakuvumi. But also I believe ekutheni ayikho into oyitholayo ngaphandle kwento oyisebenzela kanzima nento oyisebenzela ngokuzikhandla. You understand? So ungalunga ngayo yonke indlela ofisa ukulunga ngayo. If you don't put in the work, izinto zakho angeze zihlangane regardless ukuthi ulunge kangakanani. Ungakholwa uthandaze kuze kuvibrate amasenke ube ne vibration yokukhuleka. But if you only pray, you do not put the work to the prayer, ayikho into ezokwenzakala again. Ungathayita kuze kudabuka iwallet, but uwe onamandla yokutholela abantwana bakho better education, because you can be directing that amount to the education of your kids, but you chose to direct it where your heart desires. I'm not saying it's wrong to do it, but what I'm saying is tata 5 steps back and check ukuthi ingabe yonke lento oyenzayo for whatever reason ingabe kulethela umehluko empilweni yakho, noma usahlele entweni yokuthi when the time is right the Lord will make it happen. If uhlele kulento leyo ucorrect, right, but the truth still remains, ingabe lento oyenzayo iyakunikisa yini phambili or kuhlalisa ethembeni, because ngethemba kuphela asoze zachinja impilo zethu. Ayikho into esiyidinga njenge effort. You understand? Bazokutshela ke abantu abazi physics from the first law to the third law ukuthi a force has to be present in order for something to move. So when you move kanjani ungana force, because there has to be force, there has to be a force as a mover an object. You understand? And if you want change to be present, there has to be a greater force as a to the opposite direction or the current direction ebekade uveluya kuyo. Nazi noma nihamba nami angili just ngiyanibonisa, kodwa ngikushoyo ukuthini, noma ungalunga kangakanani noma ungakhuleka kangakanani, imisebenzi yakho ezokulethela izinto ezinhle empilweni yakho. Ngishumayile, ngiyakhuluma. Danko.